Hi, good morning dear children. In part 1 video, part 1 and part 2 videos, we completed the topic playing with numbers. So the next topic that we are going to learn is rational numbers. Dear children, you are very familiar with numbers since 6th standard to 7th standard. So before going to understand rational numbers, let us revise the kinds of numbers or the classification of numbers. Then we are able to understand what are rational numbers. So the first category of numbers, that is counting numbers. So the numbers which are able to count in our day-to-day life, the numbers which are able to count, such numbers are called, yes, what is the name of such numbers? Anyone? We can count those. Yes, very good. Such numbers are called natural numbers. So the first classification of system of numbers is natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers. Counting numbers. This you know very well. Just give me examples for natural numbers. 2, 3, 4, 100, 1000, 126. Not only this, the numbers which are able to count, those are all natural numbers. The collection of natural numbers is denoted by the letter n. N denotes it is the set of natural numbers. This set includes the counting numbers, and this set starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. The least natural number is 1. The biggest natural number is, it goes on, we don't know which is biggest natural number. So the counting numbers are called natural numbers. Observe the natural numbers carefully. They are all positive. They are all positive. And -2, -3, these are not natural numbers. Natural numbers are all positive numbers. Negative numbers are not natural numbers, because negative numbers we cannot count. Suppose -2 is there one. I have -2 rupees. -2 rupees, that is meaningless. Then -2 rupees we cannot count. So -2 is not natural number. I have -100 rupees. -100 rupees, meaningless. We cannot count -100 rupees. I ate -2 banana. -2 banana. We cannot count -2 banana. Meaningless. So natural numbers are not negative, they are positive. So the numbers which are able to count are called natural numbers. Okay, even 0 is there one. We cannot count 0. There are 0 pens on the table. 0 pens on the table means there are no pens. No pen means how it is possible to count? So 0 is also not countable. So 0 does not belongs to the set natural numbers. Clear? So natural numbers are positive numbers. They are not negative. 0 is not a natural number. So the next classification of system of numbers is whole numbers. Whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? What this collection includes? So dear children, 0 is not a natural number, but in our day-to-day life, the role of 0 is very important. And sometimes we need 0. That is why we need another set. That set includes that 0 along with natural numbers. That set is called the set of whole numbers. So the whole numbers means 0 along with natural numbers. 0 along with natural numbers. This set is called whole numbers, and this set is denoted by W. W represents it is the collection of whole numbers. This collection includes 0 and these natural numbers, so on. So all natural numbers are there in whole numbers. Yes. So one is natural number as well as whole number, because whole number includes natural numbers too. Yes. So every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number, because 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number. So every whole number is not natural number, but every natural number is a whole number. Next, another classification of system of numbers is, so dear children, in our day-to-day life, we cannot neglect negative numbers also. We need negative numbers. They also exist in our day-to-day life. We use them, we apply them in some situations. So we want one more collection. That collection includes negative numbers as well as these whole numbers. So that set is called the set of integers. Integers. Yes. This set is denoted by I or Z. The set of integers includes 0 and natural numbers, means totally it includes whole numbers, means naturals too, and negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, so on. This collection, such collection of system of numbers is named as integers. So observe the set of integers. What it includes, dear children? Observe the three sets of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Which is the bigger set? Which is the bigger collection? Obviously, integers set is bigger set than these two, because it includes, this set includes, natural numbers, whole numbers, not only this, even negative numbers. That is why integer set is bigger set. All natural numbers are there here. So we say every natural number is an integer. Yes. You consider 3. 3 is a natural number. 3 is a whole number. Now 3 is an integer. And see here, this is the collection of whole numbers. Every whole number is an integer. Consider 0. 0 is whole number, but not natural number. But 0 is an integer because it belongs to this set integers. Clear? So now see, every natural number is a integer. Every whole number is an integer, but every integer is not a natural number. Every integer is not a whole number, because consider the negative number -2. Not only this, consider the negative numbers. These are not whole numbers. These are not natural numbers. So every integer is not natural number as well as whole number. Clear? So this is the bigger set. So another system of numbers, that is very important collection. That collection includes these all. Yes, recall your earlier knowledge. What is the next type of system of numbers? Yes, anyone? Yes, very good. That is rational numbers. What is that next collection? Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Now we begin the topic rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Which numbers are called rational numbers? What is the condition for a number is said to be rational numbers? So dear children, you have learned it. What are rational numbers in your 7th class? So just recall that. What are rational numbers? What you learned in previous year. So okay, now I will tell you that rational number means, just recall, the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Such numbers are called rational numbers. There are two conditions for a rational number. That should be in the form of p by q, and p and q means both numerator and denominator are belongs to the set integers. One more important condition, that q is the root, that q should not be equals to 0. Such numbers are called rational numbers. Yes, anyone give example for rational number? Have you seen such numbers? Okay, very good. 3 by 4 is a rational number. Understood? Why it is a rational number? It is in the form of p by q. P and q, that is 3 and 4 are integers, and 4 is not equals to 0. So this is 3 by 4 is rational number. Next, -2 by 3. See here, -2 by 3 is not natural number. -2 by 3 is not whole number. -2 by 3 is not integer. But -2 by 3 is p by q form. -2 and 3 are integers. Okay, clear? And this 3 q, that is not equal to 0. So -2 by 3 is rational number. Understood? So now 6 by 11. This is also an example for rational number. So dear children, keep in your mind that rational numbers are in the form of p by q, and it has two conditions. One is it is in the form of p by q. P and q are should be integers, they belongs to the set integers, and q is not equal to 0. Such numbers are called rational numbers. Consider, dear children, this 2 is what? This 2 is natural number. Can we write that 2 in the form of p by q? Yes, anyone? What is the denominator of 2? Yes, very good. That is 1. So this 2 we can write 2 by 1. Rational form. What is the value of 2 divided by 1? 2. So both are same. So 2 we can write 2 by 1. So it is p by q form, and 1 is not equals to 0. So means 2 is what? Rational number. Consider the natural number 4. That 4 we can write 4 by 1. That is p by q. 4 and 1 are integers. 1 is not equal to 0. So 4 is a rational number. So now, dear children, we conclude that every natural number we can express in the form of p by q by writing 1 as a denominator, and we conclude that every natural number is a rational number. So rational number set includes natural numbers also, that is 3, yes, 5. All natural numbers are rational numbers. Clear? Next, come with the set of whole numbers. Consider the whole number 0. 0. This 0 we can write 0 divided by 1, or 0 by 2, or 0 by 3. What is the value of 0 by 1? 0. What is the value of 0 by 2? 0. What is the value of 0 by 3? 0. So we can express 0 in the form of p by q. 0 and 1, that is p and q are integers, and 1 is not equal to 0. Even 0 also rational number. Its rational form is 0 divided by 1. So whole number 0 is a rational number because we can express it in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Consider others. Consider 2. 2 is whole number. That 2 also we can write in the form of p by q by writing 1 as a denominator. Clear? So then, 1 minute, dear children. Okay? 0 also, 2 is also we can write p by q form. P and q are integers and 1 is not equal to 0. So every whole number is a rational number. Next, come to the section integers. So natural numbers are also we can write in the form of p by q. So natural numbers are rational numbers. Whole numbers, that also we can write in the form of p by q. So whole numbers are also rational numbers. Consider the negative integers. Consider -2. This -2 we can write -2 by 1. After writing it as -2 by 1, it looks like p by q form, and -2 and 1 are integers, belongs to the set integers, and 1 is not equal to 0. So means -2 is a rational number. Not only that, -100. This -100 we can write in the form of p by q, that is -100 by 1. So -100 and 1 are integers and 1 is not equal to 0. So every integers are rational numbers. So natural numbers are rational numbers. Whole numbers, that is 0, that is also rational number. and integers take minus 3, minus 2. These are also rational numbers. Understood? Not only this, some numbers are already in the form of p by q. P and q are integers. Q is not equal to 0. So those numbers are already in the form of p by q. They are rational numbers, and some we can express in the form of p by q. So then those numbers are also called rational numbers. For example, these natural numbers we can express in the form of p by q by writing 1 as a denominator. So every natural number is a rational number. Not only this, every whole number also by writing 1 as a denominator, they are p by q form. P and q are integers and 1 is not equal to 0. So every whole number is a rational number. So dear children, tell me, what are rational numbers? Rational numbers means the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, and condition is that both p and q are integers, means numerator and denominator are integers, and the q that should not be equals to 0. As such numbers are called rational numbers. So we studied 4 types of classification of numbers. Consider the 4 sets. Which is the bigger set? Obviously, the set of rational numbers is bigger set because it includes natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Understood? Every natural number is a rational number. Every whole number is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not natural number. Every rational number is not whole number. Every rational number is not an integer. Consider minus 2 by 3 is a rational number, but it is not a natural number. 6 by 11 is a rational number, it is not a whole number. And minus 2 by 3 is a rational number, it is not a integer. Understood? So this is about introduction to rational numbers. So in next part of the video, we are going to learn some properties of rational numbers. Okay? So dear children, pause the video, take a note, and we will meet in part 2 video of this rational numbers. Bye.